Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Guwahati-based Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology, or IASST, which is an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology, has set up a COVID-19 testing and research laboratory to enable more testing in the Northeast region. This was made possible by its coordination with the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital and National Health Mission. The new testing facility has the capacity to undertake 1,000 tests per day. The facility will not only help in identifying the infectious individual but also trigger the collaborative research related to the disease. The facility will reduce the institutional quarantine duration for negative cases and subsequently lessen the burden on quarantine facilities. Also, the increase in testing rate will help to provide treatment to the positive cases at an early stage in the region. This new facility was inaugurated by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Minister, Health, Education and Finance, Government of Assam. A team of researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, or IIT Gandhinagar, has developed an interactive COVID-19 dashboard named Mir AHT COVID-19 dashboard. The dashboard provides different epidemiological scenario-specific information at a city level. It is basically a city-scale project which integrates complex social and transportation patterns with epidemic spread models. It also takes into account the testing, quarantine and contact tracing rates. The dashboard shows the number of cases in various cities of Gujarat and also provides maps of the red, green and orange zones and COVID-19 hospitals. The dashboard also simulates the rate of COVID-19 spread in various zones of a city under different lockdown strategies, which can be used by the stakeholders to make critical decisions and lockdown strategies to contain the spread of the virus. Let's hear more on this from Dr. Udit Bhatia, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar.
It took our team almost 2 months to develop this. Actually, the development time was 1.5 months and remaining time for testing and deployment. So as soon as we realized that this COVID-19 is not going to be a small problem, specifically for city of Ahmedabad, our team of comprising of me and my students, we started working day in and day out, and within 1.5 months we identified all the data sets that we would need, all the algorithms that we need to develop, and started running these models. Dashboard brings all these local or micro factors together, use data from various open sources. For example, in case of Ahmedabad, we use data from Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation and combine them with the state-of-the-art network-based epidemiological models, which account for social fabric and as well as account for all the local factors that I just mentioned, and give us prediction not only at ward level, but even at the micro containment zone level. In addition to that, we also use our US patented technology, which gives us the most optimal or the best pathways to open up the cities after disruption has happened. So while we discovered this particular patent for natural disruptions, we realized some of the lessons can be generalized to pandemic of such scales, and hence that has also been incorporated into our dashboard. In addition to all these technological features, we have also included a lot of features for common persons who are interested to understand how many cases have been detected in their state or at their ward and even into their district for entire Gujarat. And we put this all together and call it our MIR AHD COVID-19 dashboard. So initially we have developed for Ahmedabad because, as you know, Ahmedabad is hotspot and it has multiple micro containment zones.
CSIR's Thiruvananthapuram-based National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with MS Pankaja Kasturi Herbal Research Foundation. This MOU will entail to carry out analytical, chemical, spectral and cytotoxicity studies of Zingivir H. Zingivir H is a recently developed antiviral product by MS Pankaja Kasturi Herbal Research Foundation. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.